the weather warming and the flowers blooming, spring is the perfect time to schedule maintenance on your home's air conditioner. Barry Warrick, maintenance manager at Estes Services, joins us in the studio to discuss the benefits of AC maintenance tune-ups. So Barry, why should a tune-up be a part of a homeowner's spring cleaning schedule?
It should be a big part getting ready for the upcoming summer. As our temperatures start to rise here in Atlanta, we're going to want to get more efficiency and more performance out of our system, and we need to make sure it's up and ready for the test that's coming.
And can a tune-up eventually save customers more money?
Absolutely. I mean, on our inspections, we're going to be looking into the system to make sure it's running at manufacturer specification. And if we happen to find it not, we can proactively take care of it before you have those costly breakdown and repairs.
Absolutely. And inside of a tune-up, what services are included there?
In our standard maintenance that we will do on your system, it's going to be, of course, changing that filter, making sure that we have the best airflow through your system so that that system can work its best. Checking your refrigerant levels to make sure that the system is operating to manufacturer specifications. Cleaning your condenser coils, servicing your drain lines, and then checking all your electrical components and making sure they're ready for the upcoming summer.
That sounds like a very thorough tune-up. So if someone is ready to book and get their system checked out, what do they do next?
Easiest thing is just give us a call or go to our website at estesservices.com and get us scheduled before it gets too warm.
That's right. And I also understand you have a special offer for our viewers today.
At Estes Services, we're offering a free second opinion in our heating and air inspections, our plumbing inspections, and/or in our electrical inspections.
And all departments. That's great.
Right.
And very generous offer. Barry, thank you so much. Great information, and thanks for being here.
Thanks for having us.